TikTok Shop Balance is a secure wallet holding refund credits, allowing you to shop without leaving the app. It's available in supported countries and deducts automatically from your balance before charging linked cards. Steps in TikTok app: check your balance, open TikTok, profile, bottom right, menu, 3 lines, settings and privacy, balance, TikTok Shop Balance. View available funds, for example from refunds. Find a product browse shop tab, videos with product tags, or search, for example, summer dresses. Tap a product, add to bag, check out with balance, go to bag, shopping bag icon, review items, tap checkout. Under payment methods, select TikTok Shop Balance. It auto-applies if sufficient. If balance covers partial full cost, confirm, enter PIN or biometrics. If short, add card, Apple Pay for remainder. Complete purchase, track in orders, profile, menu, orders. Delivery, 3-7 days.